Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing a Pusheen style haunted house. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing a long line across at the bottom for the ground. And then we're going to draw the small house on the bottom left. Let's draw 2 lines up. Now at the top, we're going to draw a longer line across. And then let's angle it up on both sides. And close off the roof with a line across. Now hop over to the right and let's draw the shape of the larger part of the house. Let's start on the right side of the roof and let's draw a line up. And another line up on the right here. And let's connect it with a line across at the top. Now to draw the roof, let's start on the corners and let's draw an angle up. And the same thing on the other side. And let's make sure the ends of these lines are hanging off a little bit at the ends. Now from the bottom of each line, let's draw a curve up. And then let's angle it up to the top, leaving a gap in the center. And close it off with a curve across. Next, on the top of the roof here, let's draw the chimney. On the top left, let's draw a line up. And another one next to it on the right here. Now across the top, let's draw a longer line across. Bring it up from both ends. And close it off to form a rectangle shape. And that's it for the shape of the house. Now let's hop in and let's draw some details, starting with the windows. Inside the large house, let's draw a circle at the top here. And then inside, let's draw a line down in the center and another line across. Now top to the bottom section and let's draw 2 more windows. Let's start with 2 lines across. Then from each end, let's bring it up. Now to close off the top, let's draw 2 curves up, meeting at a point. Next, we're going to hop in and let's draw a line down in the center. And 1 more line across. Now underneath the right window, let's draw a drip pattern down underneath the corner here. And then inside the left window, let's draw a Pusheen. Inside the bottom right corner, let's draw a bump for the top of the head and 2 V-shaped points on each side for the ears. Now underneath, let's draw 3 lines down from the top and 2 bumps for the mouth. And then let's add 2 black circles for the eyes. Now let's continue the body by drawing a curve down on the left side and add a few curves out for the whiskers. And that's it for Pusheen. Now let's hop back out and let's continue drawing the house. Now let's move up to the top and let's draw bumps across the top of the house here. And then underneath on the right, we're going to draw a cobweb by drawing a curve down and add some diagonal lines inside. And let's add some bumps across. Now let's hop down to the bottom and let's draw the door. Let's start with 2 lines up. And then curve it up, meeting at a point in the center. And then inside the door, let's draw a circle on the right for the doorknob. Next, let's hop out, and at the bottom of the house, let's draw a line across on each side of the door. And then let's add another cobweb. On the left side of the door, let's draw a curve down. Add an angled line across the center. And 2 bumps across. And 2 more underneath. And that's it for the right side of the house. Now let's add the details on the left part. Let's start by drawing 2 windows with 2 lines across. Then let's bring it up from the ends. And curve it up, meeting at a point for the tops of the windows. Now inside the left window here, let's add a ghost. Let's draw a curve on the left and down. 2 circles for the eyes. And an oval for the mouth. Now at the bottom of the house here, let's draw a zigzag line up to add a crack. And 2 V-shaped points on the bottom right here. And color this part in black. And that's it for the house. Now let's add some bats and ghosts flying around. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a bump. And curve it out on both sides. Now for the ends, let's draw a small curve back in. Another point out and in underneath. Another curve down. And curve both sides back into the center. Now let's add another bat underneath. Let's draw a curve here, angling it the other direction. 2 curves up and back in. Curve it out and in again. And 1 more set underneath to close off the shape of the body. And now let's color both of the bats in black. Lastly, let's hop to the right side and let's draw a ghost. Let's draw a curve up and bring it down. And close off the bottom with a bumpy line. Now let's hop in and let's draw 2 black circles for the eyes and a curve underneath for the mouth. And that's it for this Pusheen haunted house. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!